headlight restoration number 3. A couple of other items we're going to need is a bucket of water and a sponge, some extra paper towels, and Windex. I'm going to go ahead and just clean these headlights with Windex. The water is needed for the sanding and polishing process. And here, we're just going to, I've got me a simple makeshift mount here, and we're going to start the process right now. Alright, we're going to just spray some Windex on there. And, you know, if you're washing your truck or car or whatever, just wash them real good. I don't feel like washing the truck today. It's a little too cold. Windex will do the job. The whole idea is just get them clean. You don't want any bug guts or dirt on there, because that'll cause you issues later. And all we're doing is the headlights. We're not going to do the turn signals at this moment. Okay. And just to give you some idea, that's dirt. No shit. Oh, yeah, that's dirt. Although it could also be the UV, the old coating. And we've got us a little chair here. So, and it's got some pretty detailed instructions. We don't want to we want to follow the instructions. So, step 1, apply the surface activator. What it does, surface activator prepares a surface in 2 ways. It removes the yellow staining, and it softens any remaining original UV clear coat that still may be on the headlight lens. The procedure is we're going to spray the surface activator generously onto each headlight lens. We're only doing one right now, until they are completely covered. Let this liquid sit on each lens for about 30 seconds, and then wash completely with water to remove the loose and corrosion. Okay, here we go. Step 1, surface activator. There we go. Alright, generously. Alright, still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wet sponge. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to squeeze the sponge out off, not in the bucket, so that it doesn't contaminate the water so much. You know, wipe it with fresh water. Let it drip. Okay. Now, step 1. Wash completely with water to remove loose and corrosion. Alright, step 2. Alright, the instruction says for step 2, sanding with coarse 400 grit sandpaper removes all the haze, oxidation, and failed UV coating. The 1000 grit and 2000 grit sandpapers, along with the clarifying compound, will polish the headlight lens surface and prepare it for the new protective UV block clear coat. All sandpaper in this kit is premium waterproof material designed for wet sanding. Locate 3 sheets of sandpaper. Identify the 400 grit, 1000 grit, and 2000 grit. Fold the sheets in half, using 1/2 of each sheet for each headlight. and begin sanding with the 400. We're going to sand till we get a good haze. We'll just go ahead and do that. I probably won't show you all three of them, just so you get the idea here. And we're wet sanding. Okay, that means you take the paper and just dunk it in the water and get it wet and start sanding. Oh, forgot to fold it in half. Then do it like this. Now, obviously, you don't want to sand your chrome or anything outside here. But like I said, this old 400,000 mile Chevy truck, all I want to do is be able to see. We're not restoring the whole truck yet. And you want to sand in circular motions. And you want to sand while you're wet. You don't want to be sanding the stuff dry. And this is going to cause a haze, obviously. And you don't want to be concerned about that. What you want to be concerned about is spots where you don't make a haze. You want a uniform hazy appearance. Okay, and you're actually going to have to, at some point, wipe it wet and let it dry to see if we've achieved that. Because the haze right now is just the dust. You see how the dust, that's dust from the sanding process. What you got to do is wipe it with water and just let it dry. You can take a paper towel, help speed it along. But you want to get a nice uniform haze on there. And you see where it's starting to haze up there. See where it's dry and hazy. But we want it to be nice and uniform. And so we're going to do this multiple times so that we have a chance to hit spots we've missed. You don't want to get too aggressive. You see how the thing flops around. The mounting situation on these things isn't the greatest. You don't want to get too aggressive with it. And there are other techniques. I just saw this product and figured I'd try it. If you know somebody that works at a body shop that's got a buffer, you can go after these with finishing compound and an electric buffer, and it'll take about 5 or 10 minutes. When you're done, you just hit them with some clear coat, and they're good. They're good for a while. But I'm feeling, you know, the product, the company that puts this product out, I respect their name, and they're in the headlight business. So I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, that's 400 grit. Give that a chance to dry.